These MGZS wheels came to us in a severely corroded state, with peeling paint, deep pitting, and oxidation all over. The surface was rough, faded. But this wasn't the end, just the beginning of a total transformation. Watch how we restored these wheels to factory fresh condition.
Sandblasting matters in wheel restoration. At Shinecraft Alloy Wheel Repairs, we start every job with professional sandblasting, and here's why. Removes all old paint, corrosion, and contaminants. Reveals hidden cracks or damage. Prepares the surface for perfect paint adhesion. Ensures a long-lasting, factory-finish look. A clean job always starts with the right foundation, and sandblasting is the key to a durable, professional result.
Thanks for watching. We appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed the transformation, please like, share, and subscribe to see more amazing wheel restoration videos coming soon. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated.